Today we're looking at the 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 SLE in a Summit White. This one is powered by a Duramax 6.6 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior cloth heated seats on both sides. And of course down below we have our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the left we have our volume scroll wheel, and down below we have our dual climate control zones. To the left of that we have our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with a push-to-start ignition to go alongside a keyless entry and remote start. Checking out the middle here, we do have our two cup holders, as well as some storage and space. This middle console can also turn into a third seat when needed. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beams. Moving along to the steering wheel here, if we take a look, we do have our voice recognition on the right hand side to go alongside our menu selector. On the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. Jumping on back, we still have our jet black interior cloth seats. In the middle you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our AC outlet and our two vents. Behind each front seat there is cubbies with extra storage, as well as plenty of leg room for anyone sitting back here. You can also maximize your storage by lifting up this seat here to give you more space when needed. Checking out the exterior here on the SLE, we have our chrome accents on our grille, as well as our chrome bumper and our black tow hooks, LED headlights and fog lamps. Of course, moving along down to our tires and rims here, if we take a look, we do have our 18-inch rims on Michelin tires, our power adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, chrome accents along the windows, as well as our keyless entry, tint in the rear window. And moving along to the side, we do have our black assist steps here on the side of the vehicle, as well as our corner assist steps. We also have the X31 off-road badge here on each side. And if we take a look at the bottom here, you'll find our chrome exhaust and our spare tire. We also have our chrome rear bumper, as well as our SLE badge here on the right-hand side. Popping up the tailgate here, you'll see it comes down hands-free, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120-volt outlet here in the right-hand corner. And that is our 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 SLE in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.